I had an empty space in my living room that just needed a little pizzazz. I'm Sarah with WTI, and pizzazz I did with this tall boho-style floor lamp from Hotsonic. This lamp has far exceeded my expectations. It's giving my living room a whole different cozy boho vibe. I love that it's dimmable and easy to operate. The floor lamp I had before was kind of plain, and you had to step on it to turn it on and off, which was kind of hard to get to. But this one is at the right height for easy accessibility. It comes nicely packaged with easy to read and follow directions and everything you need, including light bulbs to put it together. I'm thankful for the heavy base. I have a home with children and pets, and it gets a little wild around here sometimes, but I'm confident that this is going to stay in place. I really love how tall it is. It looks so good in the corner of my living room. So if you're looking for a beautiful floor lamp to add a little pizzazz to your office, bedroom, or living room, then I think you're going to love this boho floor lamp as much as I do. And that's my point of view.